Hello, welcome to my walkthrough of the Human Circulation Station. This is a unit for a general human anatomy course for high school students. It was created using Second Life, and the idea of it is to give students an entertaining yet informative way to learn about the human circulation system. Throughout the whole activity, there are these note cards that students can pick up along the way. This is a welcome card, and they can just pick those note cards up and keep them for further reference for later. However, one of the neat things that I included in here is a little tour guide. This guy is named Selby, and what Selby does is he'll lead the students through the building and through the different stations so that they can see what they need to do. As they're going along at each station, Selby will give them some information, and they can also pick up note cards along the way so that they can keep that, like the welcome note card. So what would happen is you click on Selby to begin. Also, if you click on most of the banners that are in here are videos. So if you click on those, like this one is a welcome for myself. I'm not going to play it right now since I'm giving you the tour. But if you'll click on Selby, he'll kind of guide the students through the directions they need to go. Now he's not going the right way. Here we go. Let's click on him again. And he'll lead the students along the way. However, we're going to go ahead and pass Selby up. We're going to go right by him. And I'm going to lead you on the tour to save a little bit of time. And as you're going, you'll hear the heartbeats to give it more of a realistic feel. And each area there is a click on a video. This video talks about the lungs and how the lungs produce respiration. Hello, Selby. He comes back by. This station here talks a little bit about the heart and how the heart beats and the chambers of the heart. Then it goes into the aorta. It's the descending aorta. And you can see the blood's flowing through it. Students get a real multi-sensory idea of what it's like to be in the arteries. And then we go down into this area of the body where you can see how the blood is in the capillaries, how the oxygen flows to the muscles or the different body parts. On the other side is a quick video that talks about how this works. So any of these video areas you can touch on, the students can touch on, they can watch the video. The videos are lengthy, so we're not going to sit here and watch them the whole time. However, students will be going back and forth to them. For some reason, there we go. So let's go on through here. Talking more about now this is the artery.
Our circulatory system is designed to provide each of our cells.
This little area shows how the veins have valves, so that the blood doesn't flow back, and this just shows a little bit how that happens. So students can go through that, but they're not really supposed to go back through the other direction. Then here are the veins and arteries going to the brain. It talks a little bit about how the brain uses oxygen and the importance of that. And then the final station, actually not the final one, but the next to final one will be right here, a little test, a quiz. It's a little quiz-o-matic that students will be taking. It guides them through several different questions. And what happens is they have to go through the different questions. If they get 80% or better, then the quiz will automatically send the results to the teacher. If they do not get 80% or better, then they have to retake it. And they can retake it as many times. They'll take it for mastery until they can get that 80%. So it's really a quiz for learning as opposed to a quiz for final assessment. Then this area is an area for groups of students to work together on particular projects. The teacher, the instructor will give each group a assignment, a research assignment, whether it's congestive heart failure or preventing heart attacks or what is a heart attack. And they'll do the research at these computers. They have multiple students in here at one time, and they can work on the same computer, or they can work on their own.
laboratory system is
outside of
designed
Second
to
Life.
provide each of our cells with a type of fusion exchange practiced
And
by
right here
simple
you'll see that
unicellular
there's
organisms.
different heart disease center, and talks about congestive heart failure. They can learn about different things. They can search on this computer, or they can search on a regular computer, and then they'll create a report, whether it's an electronic report or whatever the teacher instructs them to do, and then they can give that report to their class. Hello, welcome to my. I think that pretty much sums up the walkthrough project of the Human Circulation Station. If you'd like to visit it, it is available in Second Life or a just general human anatomy course at National University, and that will it was created to the correct Second Life. And the idea of it is, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough.